everyone. So in today's video we'll be studying about the part 3 of the remaining crude drugs, okay? The pharmacognosy of other crude drugs. So now we have volatile oils. These are odorous volatile constituents of plant animal species, also termed as the ethereal oil because they evaporate when exposed to air, okay? So hence नाम उनका है volatile oil. उनको essential oil भी बोलते हैं due to the presence of certain essences, okay, or active constituent that compose of the odor, okay, and some certain uses. They are composed of terpenes, monoterpenes, 6-V terpenes, diterpenes, polyterpenes, and the derivatives. So very important. First is the mentha oil, okay. Mentha oil, or you may be aware it is a peppermint oil obtained from the steam distillation of the fresh flowering crops of the Mentha purpurea officinalis, white mint, or Purpurea vulgaris, that is black mint. Family is Lebitiae, okay, or Lebitiaceae. The main constituent is N-menthol, okay, that is present 70%, and then you have camphene, pinene, or limonene, okay. It is used as a combinative stimulant flavoring agent and used in the preparations of chewing gums, candies, toothpaste, or shaving creams, right? And you know much better examples. Then we have the other important or bold drug, that is clove. Clove in Hindi is also called as long. Yes, you might be aware. It is a dried flower bud which is obtained from Eugenia chirophyllus. The family is Matiaceae. Okay, it is dark brown in color. It is very aromatic. It has pungent taste. The length is 2 to 17 mm. It is a spherical head, sub-cylindrical shape, flavoring the toe. Okay, so this is the TS of clove. You can see it has style, calyx, ocular, ovary, oil glands. Okay. One thing to remember in essential oils, all the drugs such as your mentha, clove, cardamom, fennel, etc. will consist of your oil gland. So whenever you are performing the test, one characteristic feature, whether it be in the powder characteristics or of the whole drug, should remember is the oil glands, okay. Chemical constituents, it consists of 15 to 20% of volatile oil, proteins, fixed oil, active constituents of volatile oil of tannin, resin, and eugenol. The main important chief constituent in this is eugenol, okay, and the volatile oil of the drug consists of eugenol acetate, pyrophylins, and small quantities of ester, ketones, and alcohols. Okay, uses we have, it is mainly used in the dental analgesic, stimulant, flavoring agent, aromatic, and it is also used in the preparation of cigarettes and also as a vanillin or in the perfumery. Okay, then we have another important bold drug that is asked for 10-mark question, that is cinnamon, also known as dalchini in Hindi or Ceylon. Okay, it is known as Ceylon because the geographical source is it is obtained in majority quantity from Ceylon. It is the dried inner bark of Cinnamon zealandicum families Lauraceae. The outer surface is dull yellowish brown while the inner surface is dark. Okay. It consists of quills and has an aromatic and sweet sensation. It has the pericyclic fibers. This is a pericyclic fibers. Then you have the scleroid layer from here. Okay. Then you have calcium oxalate and oil cells will be present as it is the volatile oil. Then very important medullary phrase. Okay. So chemical constituent is important. Okay, so important ones are not mentioned here. Important is your cinnamaldehyde, cinnamic aldehyde. Okay, aldehyde or your cinnamic acid. I'm sorry, I don't have a pen, so the handwriting is going very bad. and even the text box is not appearing here. Okay, so chemical test, we have two chemical tests. You can just ignore this chemical test and you can just write for the chemical test. I'll just write here. Okay, for chemical test you will write down um, cardamom powder. Okay, I'm just writing CP plus phenyl. You can just note down in your book phenylhydrazone, phenylhydrazine, phenylhydrazine. This will give you the phenylhydrazone of the compound and the blue color present. Okay, of the presence due to the eugenol of the cinnamaldehyde. Okay, and this the compound will be the phenylhydrazone of cinnamaldehyde. Okay, and the important constituent are cinnamic aldehyde and cinnamic acid. You can just draw the structure. You have a similar structure. Okay, like this structure you can draw for cinnamic acid and cinnamaldehyde. This is the double bond, and here R. Okay, why R? If R के जगह there is a presence of COOH carboxylic acid, then it is cinnamic acid, and if it is aldehyde group, it is cinnamaldehyde. But cinnamaldehyde is a important chief constituent. Okay, that is used as a carminative, stomach ache, mild astringent, antispasmodic, antiseptic, antifungal, antifungal, antiseptic, digestive, flavoring agent, stimulant, aromatic, antiseptic, and also in the spices it has innumerable uses. Okay, so just remember. Then we have phenyl, very important again. It is also asked in your practical drugs. Okay, phenyl. So phenyl is nothing but a dried fruit which is obtained from the Phlonicum vulgare family Umbelliferae. Okay, and you can see it has yellowish green, aromatic, and this is the TS. Okay, it consists of carb, 2,4, epicarb, mesocarb, endocarb. Okay, all that. And the important constituents are phenicol and anethole. Okay, or anisec aldehyde, simonine, etc. It is also used as a carminative, aromatic, stimulant, expectorant, and as a flavoring agent. Okay, then we have coriander. It is again a dried fruit which is obtained from Coriander sativa umbelliferum. In Hindi, you know, dhania seeds you might be calling. Okay, this is a TS of coriander, which is having a vascular, okay, rich, or you can say vascular bundle. This is the entire vascular bundle. Endocarp is present here, two vitae, carrefour and raphe. Okay, and the coriander is the important chief constituents of coriander is coriandrol, okay, which is not mentioned here. Okay, and the fruit and volatile oil are, again, you know, same uses, aromatic, carminative, stimulant, and you just can write the other important. Then we have tannins. As the name indicates, it has a properties to tan. Okay, they are secondary metabolites of plants. They are freely soluble in alcohol, glycerol, dilute alkaloids. They are having the astringent action, very, very important. They precipitate the metallic salts and the color reactions with iron. Okay, first is the catechol, synonymous gambir. It is a dried aqueous extract of young shoots of Uncaria gambir, families Rubiaceae. Okay, it has a pale catechol. It occurs as a reddish brown colored of the cuboidal mass, quite friable in nature. Okay, and the drug has no odor. It has auricular crystals and having a highly astringent property. Chemical constituent, as it is condensed tannins. It has catechin, catechinic acid, and catechurin. It also consists of quercetin and gambir fluorescence. As I said, tannins have the color properties due to the iron. Okay, when reaction. It is used in the astringent treatment of diarrhea and also in the form of lozenges. And pale Kitachu, another variety of category, is mainly used in dyeing and tanning industries for protection of the fishing nets. Okay. Then we have Petrocarpus, also known as Indian Kino or Malabar Kino. It consists of dried juice of plant of Petrocarpus marsupium. Family is Leguminosae. Okay, it consists of ketotonic acid, kenotonic, red resin, and gallic acid. Now, kenotonic acid is a glucosidal tannin which is kenone and anhydride of the quinone. Okay, and it is produced by the action of oxidase enzyme. Okay, and it is very dark in color due to the then the kenotonic acid. Okay. Identification, you will identify with reacting with the alkali such as potassium hydroxide which will give the violet color, and simple with your ferrous sulfate which produces green color, and even if you are treating it with a mineral acid it will give you the precipitate reagent. Okay, and it is a very powerful astringent. All the tannins are powerful astringent, very important use. It is used in the treatment of diarrhea, dysentery, passive hemorrhage, to ache, or in the diabetes. And obviously you have to mention two points very importantly in all the tannins such as your Ketachu, Petrocarpus, that it has a strong astringent actions and has been used as a dyeing, tanning, or printing, okay, in industries. Then we have raisins, very important. Raisins are usually asked for 5 marks question. They are mixtures of essential oil or oxygenated product of your terpenes, carboxylic acids, and there are many. Okay, they are generally the product that is obtained during the abnormal or pathological or physiological productions of plant, but they are usually obtained when the plant is in the injurious state or pathological state. Okay, they are very transparent, amorphous, and semi-solids. Okay, liquid and substances, they are insoluble in water but soluble in alcohol, ether, or chloroform, and they are electrically non-conductive. The first is benzoin. Now in benzoin you have two important categories, Sumatra benzoin and Siam benzoin. ठीक है, benzoin का दूसरा नाम है लोबान. Sumatra benzoin because it is the geographical source, it is obtained majority in the Sumatra, okay, Java, okay, such or your moistures countries, moistures. Okay, it is a balsamic resin which is obtained from the Styrax benzoin brand or Styrax paleoleuris perkims, and the other species of Styrax which are marketed as Sumatra benzoin. Family is again the Styraceae. Okay, now it is now balsamic resin. Now what is balsamic resin? Balsamic resins are nothing but the mixture or the combination of your benzoic and the cinnamic acids. Okay, nothing but the benzoic and the cinnamic acids. So it consists of free balsamic acids. Okay, you can just write benzoic, cinnamic, and also you can write other, that is your vanillin, limonene, etc. Okay, then you have identification test, very important. You can just check with the alcoholic solution of benzoin with water. If gets a milky white solution, then you will heat the small quantity of benzoin in test tube with the covering, opening of test tube with a glass plate. Okay, examine the glass plate. This is the very large but simple how you will just differentiate. So you will remember these two tests, third and fourth. Okay, in which what you have to do, you will take benzoin, put 10 okay, just don't remember the quantities. You can say you will take the benzoin, then add ether in it, shake it well, and then add this extract in the porcelain dish, then add the sulfuric acid to it. Yes, what you will do, first take benzoin as benzoin ether and you will put in the porcelain dish, then you will take the sulfuric acid. A deep brown color is produced in the case of Sumatra and deep purplish color is obtained in the case of the सियाम. ओके, अगर वो ब्राउन कलर दे रहा है तो सुमात्रा, पर्पलिश रेड दे रहा है तो इट इज सियाम बेंजोइन. Okay, and in the case of Sumatra, for just verifying or cross-checking, what you can do, take a solution of potassium permanganate and benzoin, warm order if of benzaldehyde is produced, you can say it is a Sumatra benzoin. Okay, it is used in the form of compound tincture of benzoin as an inhalation treatment of upper respiratory tract or bronchial asthma. Okay, is used as antiseptic and protective. Then you have Google, also known as Comifera. Okay, it is an oleogum resin that is obtained by making deep incisions or injury with a sharp blade to the stem or bark of Comifera vitae, families Burziaceae. Okay, uses are anti-inflammatory, anti-rheumatic, hypolipidemic, hypocholesteremic drug. Okay, this drug resin is different because it has hypolipidemic and hypocholesteremic properties. Okay, the gum resin of Google consists of steroids, dry terpenoids, carbohydrates. Importantly, you can just remember Glugosterone, okay, E and Z, and new three sterols, that is Glugosterol 1, 2, 3. Okay, we have ginger, very well known. Okay, अदरक जिसको बोलते हैं, zingiber, zingiberis are the synonyms. It consists of whole or cut, dyed, scraped or unscraped rhizomes, roots of the Zingiber officinalis family, Zingiberaceae. Okay, the color, odor, taste, size, shape you all can just write. Microscopy में there is a cork layer, vascular bundles. Okay, as you can see in the diagram, it consists of the monoterpene hydrocarbons, 6-B-terpene hydrocarbons, volatile oil residue. Okay, zingiberine, zingiber. Okay, these all are also the important chemical constituents. Uses, we know it is used to treat the dry cough, motion sickness, stomachache, aromatic carbonative beverages, liquor, mouthwash. Okay, it is also used to treat dry cough. Asafoetida, also known as hing, gum asafoetida or devil's dung. It is oleogum resins which is obtained from the Ferula foetida or Asafoetida. Okay, family is Umbelliferae. It consists of resins, gum, volatile oil. Okay, how will you identify? You will just fracture the surface of drug and treat it with the sulfuric acid. If it forms a red or brownish color, you can just identify. Or with 50% nitric acid, the drug gives green color, and if triturated with water, it will give the yellowish orange color. It is used as a carbonated, nervine stimulant or nervous stimulant, intestinal flatulence, also used as a flavoring agent for curries, sauces, pickles, and as a veterinary medicine. Then we have Mir, again oleogum resin, family is Burziaceae. Okay, and the other drug that was having the family Burziaceae was Google. Google and Mead composes of the same families, that is Burziaceae. It is obtained from the Commiferum molmol, and as we know, the taste is aromatic and really agreeable. It consists of yellowish thick volatile oil resin, and this is a oleogum resin. It consists of importantly the alpha, beta, and gamma commiphoric acids and terpenes, cumenic aldehyde, and eugenol. It is used as a stimulant, antiseptic, and protective. It is also an astringent to the mucous membrane and hence it is a tincture that is used in the mouthwashes or gargles. Then we have colophony. Okay, again a pine resin obtained from the pinus tree or pinus plant, family Spinaceae. Chemical constituent, it will have saponic acid, pimetic acid, pinene, limonene, valine. Okay, and the abatic acid is the chief important constituent, which has 90%. Okay, it is used as a stimulant, diuretic, ingredient of cert, plaster masses, collidons, and is used in the preparation of ointments. Then we have glycosides. Okay, we have already discussed cardiac glycoside, but this is glycoside. So we'll not be discussing about its theory. We know uh, glyco, that is, it will have a sugar moiety. One enzyme on enzymatic and acid hydrolysis. It will give two parts, sugar moiety, glycon or glycon. It except the glycon part is responsible for facilitating absorption of glycosides, okay, and the glycon part is for the therapeutic properties. Then there is a linkage between glycon or glycon called as a glycosidic linkage. Okay, then these are mostly colorless crystalline. Glycosides are soluble alcohol, but in alcohol or organic solvent it is insoluble. Okay, and the very important point, the glycosides are extracted by Stas-Otto method. Okay, then in glycosides we have senna. Senna belongs to the anthraquinone glycosides. Okay, and very importantly, it is having the synonym cassia. Dried leaflets of Cassia angustifolia or acutifolia family is Leguminosae. Please, this is not the correct spelling of Leguminosae. Okay, I have mentioned up, so please make a correct note of it. Okay, this is just a one shot video, so we are not doing it in great detail, but I am just making you understand so that this is the LDR, that is last day revision. Okay, so you can just quickly go through all the drugs. Okay, but you cannot just rely on these short information of the drugs. Okay, I will be providing you detailed information which you can follow, but this is mainly for the last day revision. Okay, microscopy, you just can see it has covering trichome, scleral chimetis layer, palacides ratio, parenchyma, dermis layers, epidermis, lower and upper. Okay, uses of senna. Okay, and a chemical constituent, it has senosides A, B, C, D, amodine, aloimodine, rene, two naphthalene glycosides also. Okay, flavanol, camoferol, okay, and others also you can just write. Senidine and senosides are the senidine is for your senoside A and B, and for the from glycosides you have senoside C and D, which we'll be covering in the detailed video. Okay, then you have doxena, cassia obibeta as the adulterant, or paltacena as a cassia auriculata. Arabian senna also you have, it is used as a purgative, stimulant, cathartic or laxative. Okay, then you have aloes. All are aware it is a dried juice of leaves of aloe species or aloe barbilensis. Okay, family is Liliaceae. It is also known as Grit Kumari. Okay, this is the microscopy. Okay, here in this allotic juice is present, which is of important and possesses therapeutic uses. Okay, chemical constituents are aloin and aloin mixture. Okay, and barbilon, beta barbilon, aloe vera is aloe barbidensis, you just can read. Adulterants are natha aloes, natal aloes, and mocha aloes. Okay, then we have bitter almond. Bitter almond is also known as amygdala amara or badam. okay, obtained from the dried ripe seeds of Purinus amygdalis, okay, families Rosaceae. It is a sedative and demulcent in skin lotion than flavoring agents. Thank you everyone. So erinoids will be doing in the part 4 of the video.